5 frugal habits I brought home after living abroad. Nung bumalik ako sa Pinas, I honestly thought mas makakatipid na ako. Pero nope, this city has its own way of making you spend. So I had to bring back the money-saving habits I learned abroad to fight my budol and deserve ko to moments. Here are 5 of them. Number 1, not chasing trends. In Malta, people don't really chase trends, so you won't see brands constantly changing their packaging just because a new ingredient is in. Here in Manila, if hyaluronic acid is trending, suddenly lahat ng shampoo and skincare products, my version with it. I learned not to get swayed by marketing hype. If my current product works, I stick with them para walang gastos. Number 2, public transport first. While living abroad, nasanay ako na mag-bus kahit saan. Kaya kahit dito sa Pilipinas, I still choose e-jeep, bus, or LRT before booking a car. Mas hassle minsan, pero mas tipid in the long run. Number 3, watch what you eat. A lot of food products sold in the Philippines or even in the US are actually banned in Europe. That made me wonder, bakit kaya? So mas naging careful ako with what I eat and I try to choose healthier options whenever I can. Another thing I learned is to invest in quality. Mas okay for me na bumili ng isang bagay na tatagal ng madaming taon kaysa paulit-ulit bumili ng mas mura pero madali namang masira. Mas malaki ang initial cost pag good quality pero mas nakakatipid ka naman hindi lang sa pera pati na rin sa time and effort ng pagbili. Number 5, walking. In Malta, walking is part of everyday life. People walk long distances instead of taking a car or taxi. Kaya dito if kaya naman lakarin ng 10 to 15 minutes, nilalakad na lang namin. What about you? Ano yung mga money-saving tricks that you learned abroad na ginagawa mo pa din dito sa Pilipinas? Let me know in the comments.